Welcome. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our Boxycharm base box for February 2020. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. Y'all, and over here, we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chat about makeup, and remember that at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It washes off, and it's not that serious. So hopefully y'all decide that this is a channel for you where there is no drama for this mama, and you will decide to stick around, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, that I upload over there Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 11:15 Eastern Standard Time. And all the information will be in the description box down below for you guys to jump over to that channel. Do you love how much I'm talking with my hands? I mean, I am Italian, I am a Gemini, and I do have ADHD that is very caffeine strong. Simmer down, girl. Start flushing with some water. Anyways, guys, let me get a glass of water and then we're gonna jump into this video. Okay, so before I get into the actual unboxing, I do want to explain a little bit about what the Boxycharm base box is, or the Boxycharm standard box is. Now with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription service. They do have different tiers, if you will, and the first one is the Boxycharm base box or standard box. That is $25 a month, and you are guaranteed 5 full-size products that retail value of at least $125. Then there's another monthly box. That's the Boxycharm Premium, which I will be also unboxing here on our channel as well. Now this again is a monthly subscription. It's $35, and you are guaranteed, of course, full-size products in there, but a minimum of at least $175 worth of product in there. The Boxyluxe box is $49.99, but that is not a box that is every single month. That is like every couple months, and the amount of products you get in there is absolutely insane. So this particular box that I am going to be unboxing for you guys today is $25. It was sent to me complimentary to review from Boxycharm, so thank you to Boxycharm for that. And if you guys are curious about what is on my eyes, I did a dedicated video talking about it, and I will try and link it maybe up here for you guys. But this is the Boxycharm Hello Charmers palette, and I did use the new Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Clean Canvas Eye Base. I keep calling it concealer, but it's the Clean Canvas Eye Base. And right now, when this video goes up, this should be available to purchase the Gerard Cosmetics Eye Base for you guys. And I do have a coupon code, HOTMESS, that does save you 30%. It's an affiliate code, just letting you guys know, because I'm not about that FTC craziness. Made it weird again. Go me. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into this box. This is what it looks like. So we always get a card in here, and it looks like this month, I guess it's the Adore is going to be the theme, which is so perfect for February being, excuse me, there we go, being that it is the Valentine's Love Month. And there's always a variation. You will see the variation for mine is 19. Now you guys always ask me what the weight of my box is, and it was 2.4 pounds. So it was an extremely heavy box compared to last month. So this is going to be a try on as well, guys. Not for every single product in here, but for the products I have used, I will be popping up a video over here for you guys. Okay, so the first item I want to talk about, this was actually a choice item, and I'm going to be honest with y'all, we had, like, I think it was 3 different things we could choose from, and what I thought I had picked, I did not. And you guys know it kind of makes sense that I chose this because I am an eyeshadow palette junkie. So we could have chosen the iconic Linden eyeshadow palette. And you guys, I mean, this is a big palette. It does have a retail value of $62. But I laughed when I got this box and I saw this. I'm like, well, that makes sense because I think when we could have chose, I want to say it was like around January 13th, maybe, I can't recall, but I remember seeing sneak peeks of this and was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I definitely want that. Yeah. And then of course, by the time at the end of the month rolled around, I'm like, yes, I totally want the Kate Somerville. Whatever, I chose this. So this is what the palette looks like. It is so pretty, guys. It is an absolute gorgeous palette. It is perfect for anybody who is on the go that doesn't have time to like sit and think out a look for their eye. And I have to say, formula wise, the formula is absolutely beautiful. It blended out really nice. I do love the size mirror that we have, and it's not like an insanely heavy palette, so it's okay to like sit here and be holding it while you're applying your makeup and whatnot. So I will say, I think this is a very neutral girl friendly type of palette. Very basic colors, and like I said, the formula was absolutely beautiful. You guys will see over here, I created a very nice neutral, natural, as far as natural as you can be as far as makeup goes, kind of look. And I think that any shade that you pick out in here, you really can't go wrong with creating a really pretty look. And yeah, overall, I'm really happy. Retail value of this palette was $62. It says create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for a flawless day to night look. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous, very, very pretty. $62. This is, again, I know I sound like a broken record, guys, but welcome to my channel. That's what I do. This is why I love subscription boxes, is because as much as I would have wanted to purchase this palette, I just wouldn't have spent the $62, but $25 and get a $62 palette, I'm totally okay with, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next item was one that is a variation. This is not one that we could have picked or anything like that. And as far as the standard box goes, you do typically get to pick one of your items, okay? So this was one where we were either going to get these Luxie sponges or the Alamar brushes. It was like 3 brushes. Now here, I'm not gonna lie, don't get me wrong, I am extremely grateful and thankful to receive this box from Boxycharm, 100%. But what I will tell you guys is I love Alamar Cosmetics, like love not only the eyeshadow palette that we have received in the past, the blushers, the lipsticks, but we've also gotten their eye pencils in the past. And I love, not eye pencils, eye brushes, I'm so sorry, the eye brushes. I love the quality of Alamar Cosmetics. I do love Luxie, don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't use sponges that much, so in the try-on, you're only gonna see where I just carve out through here and then kind of a little bit in my T-zone area. They did work, like the nude colored one that I did use, it worked really well, exactly for what I needed it to. So, but you guys know I really don't wear foundation, I don't really wear concealer, so I would have rather the brushes. But again, like I said, very, very thankful. And you know, retail value of these sponges is $40. Again, this box is $25, so that's a heck of a deal. Let's be honest, it's a good deal. Okay, so the next item is not one that I've tried yet, but I definitely do want to try. This is by First Aid Beauty. This is a facial radiance pads. Now I have a lot of skincare open right now and masks that I'm trying to get through, so I am definitely excited about receiving this. I'm going to kind of put it on the shelf for now, but I will be coming back later in the next couple months and I will be talking about this with you all. Now this is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for a flawless makeup application. Retail value $16. Can I just tell you guys right now, like I got the super excited butterflies because if you guys have been with me for a while, y'all know I'm dyslexic. And so I get very like anxious when I read off of things because obviously words jump around. And I got through that really well. So I'm like, hey. Yay, okay, it's the little things. But anyways, again, I was really excited about this. This was not something that I even knew was a potential or a possibility for us to get into our base box. So yay for that, very excited. And like I said, I will be coming back and talking about these with you guys. The nice thing about First Aid Beauty is I know it is very like easy on the skin. It doesn't like strip the skin, it doesn't go over the top with the skin. It's just, I don't know the word I'm looking for, very like it's good for sensitive skin. That still is probably not the word I was looking for. Okay, move along, Rhonda, you're making it weird. Okay, so the next item I'm gonna talk about is one that honestly, I've never heard of this brand before. And I'm kind of excited to try it only because of the benefits that I've heard with some of the things that are in this. So this is the Evio Skin, I think is how you say it. Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And it says these biodegradable, multitasking Evio, EVIO. I know you're probably saying it for me, but enunciation, not so much my forte. Yeah. Anywho, it just says Evio Skin and Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis, and they have sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation to avoid irritation, and it does have a retail value of $10. You do get a total, let's see if it says 15 wipes in here. So very excited that they are biodegradable, and like I said, they have things in them that I heard is very, very beneficial to our skin. So I'm very excited to get things, because again, broken record, this is why subscription, especially Boxycharm subscription, is nice, because I may not have known about this brand, or if I did, I may not have like purchased it out of like not knowing, whatever. I'm rambling, but this is the nice thing about Boxycharm. Moving on, the last item I did receive is by Amika. It is actually a Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Now, unfortunately, mine, I've had this happen in the past with this brand, so I mean, I think it just happens sometimes, but it did kind of separate from the thing up here, so I just put it in a little Ziploc bag. But I love the smell of Amika products. Amika products are absolutely wonderful. My favorite Amika product that I've used is their it's in a tub, and it's a deep conditioner type of what is it? It's just a deep conditioner. So I'm excited to try that out. I'm going to take it up right after I unbox this for you guys. But yeah, really excited. Again, I did not see a sneak peek on this particular item either up until like yesterday. So really excited about that. A little bit about this product. The Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in conditioner that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair super naturally soft, smooth with a brilliant shine. Retails for $25. I'm really, like I said, I'm excited about this. This is one that I will use. My youngest daughter will use. So overall, like I said, this box will cost you $25 plus tax. My retail value of everything in this box, y'all, is $153. Do I feel that this box is worth the $25? Absolutely. I absolutely 100% wholeheartedly totally love everything that I got, and I definitely feel like everything in this box is worth $25. I mean, these are great products, and even though I don't know about this brand, when you read up on it, it sounds amazing. I will definitely again try these products out and come back and let you guys know. So definitely make sure to subscribe, because like I said, I'll come back and talk about these products. But I mean, like I said, played around with this. This is a great palette. I think that this is great for anyone that is on the go and doesn't need to doesn't have the time to just think. You can just slap some colors on, move on with life, all is good in the hood, you know what I mean? So anyways, if you guys are interested in picking up your own Boxycharm standard base box, I will have a referral in my description box. Please know that is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to, you know, sign up using my affiliate link, I will earn a little bit of commission, so I do want to thank you guys in advance for that. Also, once you do sign up with Boxycharm, you make sure to share your referral link, because you will earn Charmer reward points. What that means is once you start earning those reward points, you can go into the Charmer store and you can pick up products for free using those rewards. And these aren't chintzy products, guys. This is anything from the Dominique Cosmetics, like Celestial Thunder palette that we have received in prior Boxycharms. I've gotten the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist in there. Again, I didn't buy it. I used my reward points. So definitely share your referral links. everywhere and anywhere you possibly can, because you can get free things. Boxy pop-up is happening very soon. I want to say it's like starting February 10th or something. Let's see, it's on the back here, right? February 11th. February 11th, it is starting. I think it's February 10th for Premium and Boxyluxe members. So, but there's amazing things, up to 80% off in that Boxy pop-up. Don't miss out on those. I mean, really good stuff. Anyways, there is a giveaway going on my channel right now. I will either link the video up here, or it will be in the end cards, or it'll be maybe in the description box, comment section. I don't know. What I will tell you is it is for my subscribers only. So you definitely want to be subscribed in order to enter into that giveaway. Anyways, friends, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to help me out by giving me a big thumbs up. Definitely check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'd love to have you guys over there, as well as my second channel. I'm all over the place because I'm like, you made this video way too long. That's what I do. Okay, guys, hopping off. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. I'm singing. I'm flipping singing. Okay, bye.